is Sheena, and I'm back. I'm back to do a like, I'm so excited about this. I just want to let y'all know. This is the Kat Von D. Okay, this is the Kat Von D long wear pomade for your brows. Okay, thanks to Influencer, I was given this to review for my opinion. If y'all can see, I've already actually used some. I actually, as soon as I got it, I set up and made a YouTube video about it. And while I was editing it, I made a mistake and erased the whole video. Like, seriously, y'all. I erased the whole video. So just imagine, like, can you imagine how hurt I was? Okay, after all that time. But I said I was going to come on here and do just another get ready with me. I'm getting ready to go out. So, I decided that I'm going to do a look. I'm going to do it on my YouTube channel. And I'm going to, use, do me some brows. Use this Kat Von D. It came with a brush. This is the number 70. It's an angle brush. Cute. Okay. So, I'm going to take my spoolie and I'm going to just brush up. My brow hairs, get them together. So what I've noticed, again, this is in color walnut, and what I've noticed is you don't even need a lot at all when it comes to this pomade. Like, a little goes a long way. Trust me. I've tried the Anastasia, her pomade, and I really like it. But I think this one is I like this one better than Anastasia because it's a thick. To me, the consistency is a little bit thicker. It's a whole lot better payoff, I believe. This walnut is a really rich color. And I love it. I love it. So I'm just drawing my line from my brow. And then I'm just going to brush up in an angle. Like I'm brushing like my hairs, like individually. Okay. And now I'm doing the top. You could use a pencil and then use the pomade to fill in the brows. But I'm just doing the whole brow from scratch with nothing but the pomade. The pomade. So you'll be able to see. You don't need a lot. You see, I haven't gone back in to get any more. I'm working with what was on my brush. And you see what so a little goes a long way. And I just did a little swipe. Look, I can draw a line with the other brow. On the other brow. You don't need much at all. Alright, next brow, I am going to go in for a little bit because I need this brow to match, okay? So, but I'm only taking a little, and I'm doing the same thing on this side. This brow is slightly different from this one. That's okay. I'll make it work. I'm going to dip in a little bit because I want to darken this space, darken in the light spaces. I don't want my brows too dark. Okay. So overall, I'm not done. But overall, I love them. I love it. I love the consistency. Kat Von D brow. So yes, the Kat Von D brow. I love it. What I think, I give it a 10. 2 thumbs up and a 10. I love it. This is taking the place of my Anastasia. I'm going over to Kat Von D. I really, really like it. Okay. So anyway, bye you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I promise you, again, the videos are going to get better. But anyway, so I got my highlight popping. Lashes on fleek. Fleeky. Now I just got to get this hair popping. And get dressed. So you guys have a wonderful night. Make sure you subscribe, rate, comment. Let me know if what other type of videos you want to see. And I will talk to you soon.